Hello, Clever Curves. Are you ready to learn some fun shapes today?
Let's go! This is clear! It has all same sides, like a gift box. Wow, here's another triangle. It has three sides and three corners. Yummy! Like a slice of pizza. This is a circle. It's round and smooth, no corners at all. Like a ball. So now we have a rectangle. It has four sides, two long and two short, like a book. Wow, we have a star. It has 5 points, just like a star in the sky.
Great job, Clever Curves. Let's say the shapes one more time.
Square, triangle, circle, rectangle, star. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.